Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set app limits on iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, tap on setting and scroll down and tap on screen time and tap on app limits and tap on add limits and select any one app on social and select Facebook, WhatsApp and TikTok and Instagram and Snapchat. Tap on next and select your time, hours and minutes and tap on add. You as can see, add your time limits on app. Go back your home screen. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.